This is a power steering pump from Mercedes ML 450, and in order to remove it, you will have to remove a cooling fence to have more space to work around. The power steering fluid reservoir, it has 3 bolts, like this, and it also has one C-clip. The C-clip looks like this, and it holds the steering fluid attached to the power steering pump right here. And after we'll have to remove 2 longer bolts and 1 shorter bolt. Actually no, yeah, the bolt that goes behind is shorter, 2 bolts go in the front. So the long bolts go right here and right here, and the short bolt goes behind. So we will have 1, 2 and 3 right here. So now we drill the hole and we have access to all of our mounting bolts, so we can remove the mounting bracket. On our new power steering pump we have holes, so we can install the mounting bolts. On another one we don't, so I use just a drill bit. I made a hole, so now we can spin it around and get access to all of our 3 bolts around and remove them without removing the pulley. So once you have both bolts removed, one from here, second one from here, you can remove the bracket and install it on the new power steering pump. As you can see, this pulley will already have holes, so you can install the bolts. The original one doesn't have, so I made a hole to be able to remove it faster without removing the pulley. A small difference, I just removed the o-ring, I installed it on the new pump, and as you can see the fittings looks slightly different. This one doesn't have that edge that is holding the o-ring. This one has it, and this one spins freely. This one stops. The new one, the old one. Formidable. It's so much more easier to turn the steering wheel now. No more noise. All good.